So today we're removing the rear bumper and rear lights on the Scirocco R-Line facelift. Now, because it's a facelift, we've got the integrated LED tail lights, so there's no bulbs to change. However, to remove the rear bumper, you do need to remove the rear lights, so we'll get one video of the light and bumper removal. So to remove the lights, we've got behind this cover, we've just got this single wing nut to remove, a wing bolt. Now this connector has a lock on it, and then press here. Same again on the other side of the car. Under where the lights have been removed, you've got two T25 torque screws on both sides. Underneath the back of the bumper, you've got 4 T25 torque screws to remove. So in the wheel arches, we've got a trim clip at the bottom and 3 T25 torque screws to remove initially. Now push this piece of plastic in towards the bumper and unclip it. Now you can pull back the wheel arch liner, and where the bumper meets the shell, you've got another T25 torque screw pointing downwards. Now these can be quite awkward to get depending on what tools you've got. like to put a piece of carpet down just to protect the bumper, especially on modern, well looked after vehicles. Now, if you're on your own, you'll want to be somewhere near the middle of the bumper. And if you've got parking sensors, you'll now need to carefully remove the connectors from this side. So and there we have the bumper completely removed. If you're removing the bumper for access to the parking sensors, then here they are. So it's good practice when refitting the screws to add a little bit of grease, especially on the ones underneath the car, as on VWs they do tend to rust quite a lot and become very difficult to remove later in the life. So if you work on your cars regularly, this will be welcome in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. For more guides on this car and many others, then please do subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.